guys, welcome back to our channel. So this is our first vlog of many, so get ready. So today we're going to beaches. That's playas in Spanish. I mean in
Playas.
So yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun, but this bitch is on a diet and she didn't even let me know. She didn't have the, you know, education to tell me that she was on a diet when that's what we do together, you know, we pig out. Okay, so we're gonna go get some chips and, you know, like some chuchulucos.
Porque hablas como pinche de las morras que viven como en Los Ángeles. Sí, so, vamos a comprar hachiros.
Oh my god, why does my neck look so fat?
Because you're fat, bitch. The fat.
I have a triple cheese.
Okay. Hey guys, so we over here with the Tijuana sign, you know. Michelle's really embarrassed right now. So we're gonna walk to the car. So yeah guys, remember to like, rate, and subscribe, bitch. I'm tired as fuck. Oh wait, wrong way. And Michelle's a fake ass YouTuber because right when I started recording, like, she started running. But you know, when you love YouTube, when you love your subscribers, you don't care to record wherever you are, you know? Just remember that life is beautiful, you know. Enjoy it. Don't be afraid of what people are gonna say about you, you know, because people gonna talk, haters gonna hate, you know.
You guys, I'm so sorry this video has like no structure and is all over the place. We weren't really planning on creating anything for YouTube. We just started recording and playing around like we always do, like as if we had a YouTube channel. But this time around we decided to actually create one. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy.
Mi corazón
Gonna hold us down.
Okay, so I'm gonna get a septum piercing over here, like a little vaquita.
Lo vas a hacer en español o en inglés.
Honestly, nobody gives a right? Wait, now you just made me feel weird about it.
Why?
Because now I don't know if I should speak Spanish or English.
Pues habla
Okay,
así.
venimos, like
Entonces,
that's
are you gonna bleep it out?
yeah, I guess. A little bit of an PTSA.
¿Qué es eso?
Wait, is that like public service? Service? PSA. There you go.
¿Qué es eso?
Public service announcement.
Tu cara. Okay.
Ok, para los que se quieran hacer piercings, siempre tienen que asegurarse de que el lugar es limpio.
Pero gracias a mí.
Ajá, gracias a ella encontré este lugar y todos mis piercings me los he hecho aquí y ninguno se me ha infectado. Bueno, solamente porque yo no tuve el cuidado. No tuve como el cuidado adecuado, apropiado para ese, pero en sí es muy limpio el lugar.
Siempre que venimos se pone bien hermosa y empieza como que a querer llorar y yo soy la que siempre la graba.
So red. 1, 2, 3. I fucking hate it. Oh my god, like
Really?
I don't hate it, but I hate the process. Like it hurts so bad. Pero sí, si lo quieren hacer, supongo, digo, háganlo, pero duele bien. Desde ahorita les digo.
De hecho, te voy a decir algo.
¿Qué?
Porque a veces me meto a ver videos como de la gente poniendo su piercing.
Que es uno de que los más que duelen y que no me quisiste decir.
No, de hecho son,
Los que menos duelen.
no, de que si te lo ponen bien, no debería dolerte.
Entonces no me lo puso bien. Entonces todo lo que dije anteriormente, no vengan aquí. De limpieza, hazlo tú misma. Sí, a ver qué dice mi mamá. Va a decir,
Si pareces pinche toro.
why am I talking like that?
Claro.
Thumbnail. Okay, once again I take back what I said. Don't come here. This place. Look. Okay, so right there it looks straight, right?
Not even like that, dude.
It even looks crooked like that.
Sí se ve derecho.
Okay, so aquí se ve derecho, right? Mira. Ven cómo está así.
Are you gonna bleep her name out?
It's called editing, beach. If it looks nice, I guess it's worth it. Because, you know. Ah! If I end up not liking it, I'm gonna get so mad that I did it because.
But I get my hopes up and I watch them fall every time. I never cut my trust. You know I never wanted to pursue. But what about me? What am I supposed to do? I gotta leave, but I'll miss you.
Where are we? We're like in fucking EDC right now, bitch.
Everybody's going to the party, have a real good time.
Si estuviéramos en EDC, we would be cringe, dude, you know?
I said you can have whatever you like. I said you can have whatever you like. Yeah, sex on me, strong on ice.
Everybody's laughing in my mind. Rumors spreading about this other guy. Do you do what you did when you did me? Yes, you love the way I did. You forget all the ways that you
Había una tensión porque se trabajó en eso, se paró.
Oh no.
Viendo más lo que quieras, vamos en eso.
Luna, over here. Make us money. That's a really cute shot, to be honest. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna finish eating and then she's gonna go poop and then we'll be right back, okay? Okay, guys, so we forgot to say goodbye to the vlog. We forgot to do an outro, but we hope you guys enjoyed. It was really fun to start vlogging today. I'm super oily, oh my god. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. You guys can comment and subscribe and like this video, share it with your friends. Actually, don't share this one, probably share the next one because it'll probably be better. Like today was just like a yeah, de cáliz, porque hoy nomás estábamos viendo así como
De ridícula.
ajá, de ridículas, and then we're like, oh my god, we should start our YouTube video, you know, o sea, Porque we've had plans, huh?
Yeah.
To make a YouTube channel, but we're like, oh, we don't know how to start, so we just started tonteando, and then I can see your fucking finger. Empezamos a tontear hoy, and then we were like, oh, okay, well, you know, let's just start. So the next one will be better, we promise, guys, okay? So besitos from Luna, con mordida y todo. Yeah. Okay, well, thanks for watching, guys. Good night.